Good morning, my friends. How are you all doing today? Guys, today's video is about your prostate. So if you are suffering with any prostate related issues, you want to find a great solution for it, but you do want to stay away from chemicals and toxins and medications that are really heavy, then you're in for a treat, because in today's video, I want to present to you Prostaclear. This is something that helps prevent DHT buildup and it removes excess fat from the body. And on the other hand, the level of oxygen in your blood and blood circulation towards prostate glands are also improved. So you're in for a treat if you start using Prostaclear. You're gonna get great results out of it. So stay here in this video, watch it until the very end. I have so much I wanna share with you. You know, we get the precautions, the alerts, the infos, all the details regarding Prostaclear. On that note, let me just tell you really quickly, if you're looking to purchase Prostaclear, the manufacturers of this product, they're only selling it on the official webpage. They want to keep everything safe and secure, everything so much more original for you guys. So I did go there. I copied the link and I left it in the description box just below this video so you can check that out later, okay? But now let's just talk about what Prostaclear really is and how this natural supplement can really help you guys out. So as I was saying, Prostaclear, it is an all-natural dietary supplement that was designed to help men maintain a healthy prostate as they age. So Prostaclear supports 2 proven steps with the purest, highest quality, most potent ingredients on the planet, like Fenugreek Extract, Resveratrol, Nettle Root, milk thistle, and several other natural compounds that guarantee the supplement's effectiveness. So once you do start using Prostaclear, you guys can be sure that this is a supplement that does not have any GMOs. It is non-habit forming. It is very good for you, and it will bring so many great benefits. Many people are not sure how to take Prostaclear, but it is just so simple to follow. The bottle of the supplement comes with 60 capsules for 30 days. All you have to do is take 2 capsules of Prostaclear a day, and that's it. You're good to go. But just remember this, okay? Since Prostaclear is a natural supplement, I mean, you do need to be patient with your results. You need to be determined and not forget about taking it every day. If you start to forget about it, you know, you start to, I don't know, take it today and then not tomorrow and then the next day, it's simply going to take forever for you to get results, and you're not going to be taking in all these awesome results it gives you. So Prostaclear can take care of your prostate levels so you can enter your old age feeling totally healthy. It can help you have a better immune system, give you so much more energy, and it can basically make you feel more alive, you know, give you more vitality and disposition as well. And something that I found so cool about Prostaclear is the way the manufacturers are taking care of their customers, you know. They give you a 180-day money-back guarantee. So if you guys need a refund, you know, 180 days is like the full treatment. It's 6 months. So if you do not get results out of it, if you're frustrated with it, you can just go back to their official webpage, request your money back, and they will help you to get every single penny that you spent on Prostaclear back. So it's that legit, guys. So honestly, do visit their official webpage, read a little bit more about it, give it a shot, and I can guarantee you that you're not going to regret it, all right? Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any questions for me or any doubts regarding it, leave them in the comments below for me to help you out, or just go directly to this link. Have a nice day. Bye.